Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is going to be something interesting which has already been published by a lot of other YouTube creators. So this video has already been created by other YouTube creators, but this is my own take on this AI tool. So today I'll show you how to use Google Vids. But before we deep dive into it, kindly like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot and supports me in the long run. So today I'll show you what Google Vids is. So on Google Vids, you can create amazing videos as slides and share them to your friends or download it on your computer. So the main thing over here, this white thing is the main canvas where all the magic will happen. And on the right side, there are features which you can use to create your own canvas. So today I'll show you how to use and create some videos. I'll click on stock over here and go into videos and search for Taj Mahal. This one looks amazing. So this is the video I'll start with. I'll shorten the video to 5 seconds. This looks amazing. Then click on text and then I add a title, or you can just go through these templates for text. You can click whichever you like and use it in your video canvas. I'll just go with simple thing called as add a title and add here that oh I'll add visit Taj Mahal. This looks amazing. Gonna drop it down. This looks really good. I'm gonna shorten this a bit and make it in the middle and change its color too. So let's change its color to blue. Doesn't look good. Wait a second. Yellow is somewhat good. Let's go with the blue if I'm not wrong. Nah, blue doesn't look good. Let's go with yellow itself. Yellow is also not looking good. Red. Let's see red. Yeah, red looks good. Let's take it at the bottom and let's see how the video is created. So here the video is created for us and the video title is Visit Taj Mahal. And let's also change the project name to Taj Mahal because today's video is going to be about Taj Mahal itself and visiting it. So as you can see, the beautiful video over here and also the text down here about visiting Taj Mahal. The video looks amazing and our text is also integrated into the video. Once again, I want to change the color. Red doesn't look good. I'll just keep it as white. White also doesn't look good. I don't know which color I should go for. I'm very confused right here, right now. Which, let's go with, I don't know, man. Uh, let's go with purple. Okay, purple looks good. So yeah, this is our first slide. So this is how you can create videos in Google Vids. You can just drag and drop a video from stock videos, or you can just create your own video using Google Veo 3. You can give a prompt and it will create an amazing video for you. If you want to, I'll also show you how you can create a video in Veo. So let's create a video in Veo. So here is my prompt. Slow aerial drone shot gliding toward the Taj Mahal at golden hour. Mist rising from the Yamuna River. Warm orange and pink sky reflecting off the white marble dome. Lush symmetrical gardens below. Peaceful and majestic mood. Let's click on generate. here is our video clip created. It looks really amazing. Look at this. Wow. The Taj Mahal looks amazing. This is our first video which we got from the stock video itself, and the second video is a AI video clip created by Google Neo. Let's add a text here too. Let's use a text template. Let's go with headlines and go with this one itself. Let's write majestic Taj Mahal. This looks good. Let's add this at the bottom. Okay, this looks amazing. Look at this. Majestic Taj Mahal. Visit Taj Mahal. And this is a normal written text, and this is from a template, which looks really amazing. Let's create another scene and here add some shapes. Let's add this shape. Let's give it a color. Give it a blue color. Taj Mahal. Let's keep it white itself. Let's give this a color as blue, and let's keep this white itself, and once again give a shape. So inside shapes you can write text, so which is good. Let's give a rectangle text over here as when was Taj Mahal created. So in the year 16 1643 to 1648 48. Let's keep only in looks good. Let's also fill it up with a color as yellow. Give this black color itself. Looks amazing. Let's take it to a left side a bit. Okay, looks good. And let's add a video. Once again, add a short video of this. Looks amazing. Expand to fill the scene. And then if we want to see the text on the left side too, so let's crop the video a bit. Click on crop the video and crop it until here. Okay, now this looks amazing. Our text is also visible and the video is also integrated in our slide. Let's shorten the video to 5 seconds. Click on play and let's see the whole slides. Wow, this looks so amazing. And this is how you can create videos on Google Vids. It creates as a slides and you can edit the slides itself. There is a lot of edit you can do in the slides. This is the basic beginners video I'm creating on Google Vids. But there are a lot of new features available here when you create and edit the slides as videos. Now I'll do a last thing, which is add music here. Let's go into stock once again and go into music. Let's give it a ambient kind of a music theme. Let's see how it sounds. Nah, this doesn't sound good. Okay, this sounds good. Let's give this music track to our video slides. And now it's inside our video. Now let's check out the whole video. Wow, this is so amazing. So this is how you can create videos on Google Vids. You can add videos as slides and then you can also add music into it if you want to. So this is how it works. If you want, you can also record your own video. You can, if you have a webcam, you can just record your own video and add it as a video slide over here if you need. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show you today. This is how you can use Google Vids as a beginner version. This is a video for beginners. So this is how it is made. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot. Thank you.